Your lesson essential question is, how do we estimate liquid capacity? So we're going to be measuring liquid capacity, and we're actually going to just be estimating those measurements today. Remember, an estimate is an educated guess. So what is the capacity of the pail? Let's first talk about the word capacity. Capacity means liquid volume. It's the amount that a container can hold measured in liquid units. 1 metric unit of capacity is liters. This water bottle holds about 1 liter. We're going to be estimating how many liters the pail can hold. Compare the capacity of the water bottle to the capacity of the pail. The pail appears to be large enough to hold several liters, which means we could pour this water bottle in there multiple times before it's full. Count how many times you can fill a liter container and empty it into the pail. So what we would do is we would fill up the water bottle and dump it in 1, fill it up again, dump it in 2, and so on. You can measure to check that your estimate is reasonable. So after guessing how many liters you think the pail is, you can actually do the measuring. So the pail holds about 8 liters. Let's do a few of your problems together. Now, knowing that a liter is about the same as this water bottle, let's estimate what we think the capacity of these two items are. So number 7, we have this aquarium. Do you think this big aquarium would hold 1/4 of a liter, which means 1/4 of this water bottle? Or do you think it would hold 40 liters? I would estimate that it would hold 40 liters because 1/4 of a liter is pretty small. Now let's look at this measuring cup. Do you think it would be 1/8 of a liter, which would be a very small amount of this water bottle? Or do you think it would be 1 liter, which would be this whole water bottle? I would say it would probably be 1/8 of a liter, just a fraction of it.